unveiling the mysteries within atomic structures. Struggling with electron organization? Watch this. Imagine an atom as a massive apartment building. The principal quantum number, n, indicates the floor level. Higher the number, higher the floor, and greater the energy. The angular momentum quantum number, L, describes the apartment's shape, s, p, d, or f orbitals. The magnetic quantum number, m_L, specifies the exact room, like saying apartment 3A. The spin quantum number, m_SE, shows the electron's spin direction, either +1/2 or 1,2. These numbers create a unique address for each electron. Found this intriguing? Like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more science insights. Dive deeper into the quantum world with us. Each element has its own story, told through quantum numbers. Join us as we explore the fascinating realm of quantum mechanics. Quantum numbers are the key to understanding the atomic world.